Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone ringtone setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you set your phone ringtone in your Samsung phone guys. You want to set guys your phone ringtone in your Samsung phone, so you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set phone ringtone in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to click on guys your phone setting. So guys, we will on our phone setting. Then guys, you can see your sound and vibration settings. So guys, tap here. Then guys you can see first ringtone settings. So guys tap, we will tap here. Then guys you can see there are different types of ringtone. So which ringtone guys you like guys, you will have to click on guys your ringtone settings. So guys you can like this automatic bell, beep ones guys, beep beep, spend time, so man almost. So example for guys, we will take guys this moon discovery. So I like this one, so I tap here, come back. Then guys you can see that this ringtone will set into mode discovery. Like that guys you can set your phone ringtone in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set phone ringtone in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.